In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new service item in QuickBooks. Whether you're adding a fresh service offering or managing existing ones, this is a crucial task for keeping your accounting in order. Let's get started and make sure everything is clear and straightforward as you manage your services in QuickBooks. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to the QuickBooks homepage. It's the starting point for all your bookkeeping needs. Once you're there, log into your account. If you're new to QuickBooks, you might find the interface a little overwhelming at first, but don't worry, you'll get the hang of it with a little practice. Now, look at the left-hand side of the screen. There, you'll see a navigation menu with various options. For our purpose today, click on Sales. This will open up more options related to your sales activities, where you can manage everything from invoices to products and services. It's a great way to keep track of what's going in and out in terms of your business's revenues and offerings. After you've clicked on Sales, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll see the Products and Services tab. Click on this tab. It's where you can view and manage all services and goods that your business offers. Here, you see a comprehensive list that provides a snapshot of your inventory and service offerings. Next, to add a new service, spot the button labeled New, usually located somewhere at the top right of this section. Once you click on it, a drop-down menu appears, allowing you to choose from different types of entries like non-inventory, service, or bundle, to name a few. For adding a service, select Service from this drop-down menu. Now you'll arrive at the form for creating a new service. This form is the heart of the service creation process. Fill in all pertinent information, such as the name of the service, a brief description, and don't forget to specify the cost rate, if applicable. This is also the place to categorize your service, so it fits neatly into your bookkeeping structure. Make sure all details are accurate to ensure efficient tracking and management later on. And that's it. Once you've filled out all the necessary fields, simply click Save and Close. By following these steps, you've successfully added a new service to QuickBooks, keeping your business operations neat and organized. Getting comfortable with these QuickBooks basics can really empower you to manage your business's financials with confidence. If you have any further questions or need additional help, QuickBooks' support and help resources are readily available to guide you. Thanks for joining me today, and happy bookkeeping!